Arlington Industries has introduced a new plastic junction box designed to streamline and simplify electrical installations. This new box features pre-installed screws that allow for direct mounting into studs. This mounting method is Underwriters Laboratories, or all, approved, eliminating the need for additional hardware and simplifying the installation process. The ease of installation with this new box saves contractors time and money. By eliminating the need for nails or clips, the installation process becomes quicker and more efficient. Also, the reduced labor requirements result in lower labor costs. The pre-installed screws ensure secure and stable connection between the box and the stud. This eliminates the risk of loose connections or box movement over time, enhancing the overall safety and reliability of the electrical installation. The box is designed for both residential and commercial applications and is compatible with various types of studs. Its compact size and low profile make it suitable for use in tight spaces or where aesthetics are important. The plastic construction of this junction box makes it lightweight and durable. It is also non-corrosive and resistant to moisture, making it ideal for use in humid or outdoor environments. Arlington Industries' new plastic junction box is a solution for electrical contractors and homeowners alike. Its Underwriters Laboratories, or all, approved stud mounting, time-saving installation, enhanced safety, versatility, and environmental friendliness make it an addition to any electrical toolkit. This product is a testament to Arlington's commitment to providing high quality and solutions for the electrical industry.